So today we're going to do a walkthrough of what the entire cycle looks like when we have a new website that has to be created on freewebsitesite.com. So if you're a freelancer or a developer who has a customer project and they have identified a domain name that they want, then you can go in here and register the domain name, such as mydomainname.com. Obviously, this is probably going to be taken, so I'm just going to add like 777 at the end of it. So hopefully that's still available. Once you click OK, you can just put here myemail@domain.com or whatever your email address is and save. Okay, now that will take you over to the next part where you can select from the templates. And you've seen in my other videos how you can work with these templates. So we're just going to go ahead and click on Edit and Publish, which will take you right into the environment where you can make the necessary edits and then publish them. In this walkthrough, I'm just going to do Skip. Always remember that there is this FWS help on the side where you can initiate conversations if you have any technical issues. Simply fill in the form to start a chat, and if the support person is online, they will assist you immediately, or they'll get back to you within 24 hours. Okay, so we've already seen how to do the edits here. It's quite simple. In other videos, you've seen that you can change the images and you can change everything in the template. You'd probably want to do a couple of test runs before you publish, but I'm assuming that everything here is okay. To complete the transaction, you click on Publish, Save, or Save and Exit, which will take you to the checkout process. Your email address and domain name will already be preloaded. The edits you made will still be there in the environment. Now, you can go with Plan C or Plan D, which are annual plans currently on promotion. You can get the whole package for just $35, including the domain name, provided it's a regular domain, not a premium priced one that costs $100 or more. A regular domain, which typically costs about $15 to $20, is included for free in this plan. You'll also get SSL, US-based hosting, and access to unlimited private projects. You can do all your design work there, but publishing will be for your customer base, and of course, you'll get the free domain. Click Next, and you'll set the password. Once the password is set, click Next again, and it will create your login. Now, you're registered on the site. You can always log back in using your email and password. You will have payment options: PayPal or debit credit card, both processed through PayPal. Enter your card details, expiration date, and billing information. This assumes you're in the US, but you can adjust it if you're in another country. After that, click Pay Now. PayPal, which is a secure payment gateway, will handle the transaction. None of your credit card details are stored with the portal. Everything is transmitted securely to PayPal. They process the payment and return a confirmation token that indicates the payment was successful. Your website will only receive the transaction ID and token once PayPal confirms the payment. Once that's done, your one-year subscription is registered and your domain is purchased right away. Now, you're good to go. You can commission the website, make further edits, and add new pages. Whatever features are available in this version will be accessible to both you and your customer. If you're commissioning this site on behalf of a customer, you'll pass the login to them after you've set everything up. One thing to keep in mind is that you cannot change the registered email address after registration. So, as a freelancer or web developer, always use the client's email address during registration. Make sure that the email you use is the correct one. Once everything is set up, you can either share access with the client or hand over full control, depending on your agreement. If the client says, "Here's $1,000, I need the website up and running," and you see that Free Website Site meets their requirements, you can build the site, maintain it, and make updates upon request, like adding menu items or changing images. This can be a full turnkey service. Or you can teach the client how to make basic edits themselves. If they prefer, they can give you a maintenance contract, allowing you to handle everything for them. In the case of issues, you can always reach out to technical support for assistance. That's pretty much it. You can change everything on the site for them, making it a great value. Now, regarding payment gateways, if your client wants to accept payments on their site, they'll need to create a PayPal account. You'll need to update their merchant ID in the provided PayPal buttons, which will link payments directly to their PayPal account. Test the system during the first setup to make sure everything works. If they want to accept orders but not payments, e.g., cash on delivery, you can remove the payment integration, allowing the customer to place orders without immediate online payment. That's the quick walkthrough of registering or starting a project with Free Website Site and completing the payment setup for your customer. If you have any questions, you can always contact the platform directly for customer or technical support. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you.